Hey everybody, this is homework for 11/12. That would be Wednesday, the 12th of November. I hope you guys had a great Veterans Day. Enjoyed not having homework. You guys deserve it. All right, copy down these 2 points. We have -3, 4 and 1, 8. See what you can do with those before you look at my answer. Don't forget, you're looking for two things. You're looking for your M and you're looking for your B. You should have the points copied down now, and I'd like you to turn off the video and try this on your own. Okay, the change in y is 4. The change in x from -3 to 1 is also 4. Change in y over change in x. The line means divide. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Y equals mx plus b. I have to substitute in 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Y M X. I chose this ordered pair because I didn't want to deal with the negative. Okay, Y is 8. Whoops. M is 1. To multiply it by my X, which is also 1. 1. And plus b. By now you should know what this means. It means to multiply, and 1 times 1 is 1. Therefore, this is really 8 equals 1 plus b. How do I get that b by itself? I subtract 1 here, and I subtract 1 here. b is equal to 7. I'm ready to write my equation. Y equals 1x plus 1. Now I'm going to simplify. I know from before that 1 times x is just x, and so we don't normally write 1 times x, we just write x. Y equals x plus 1. Number 2, copy down the points -1, 3 and 3, 7. Remember, give it a try yourself first, so turn off the video now and give it a try. You need to find M and you need to find B, just like always. Alright, change in y from 3 to 7 is 4. Change in x from -1 to 3 is 4. Is it my imagination, or did I copy the exact same problem? No, I didn't. Okay. It was my imagination. How strange. Change in y over change in x. This means divide. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Okay, I need to substitute into y equals mx plus b. And how many times do I do that? The answer would be 3, and 1, 2, 3, there they are. Those are the substitutions I have to make. Here's a y, here's my m, and here's the x that goes with that y. 7 equals m times x plus b. Simplify, this is equal to 7 equals 1 times 3 is 3, so 7 equals 3 plus b. How do you get the b by itself? You subtract 3 on both sides. -3 minus 3. b equal 4. Ready to write the equation. Y equals 1 times x is x plus 4. Number 3. Write down the ordered pairs. 4, 6, 10, 8. 4, 6, and 10, 8. Again, you had to find your M and you had to find your B. Turn off the video and do it on your own. Change in y from 6 to 8 is 2. Change in x from 4 to 10, is 6. Change in y, 2, over change in x, 6. I'm not going to use my calculator to do 2 divided by 6. If I did do that, 2 divided by 6 comes out to be 0.33333, which in fraction form is really 1/3. I'm going to leave it as 1/3. I like that fraction. It's more accurate than 0.33333. Alright, now I got to find the b. Y equals mx plus b. Again, I have to substitute 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Here's a y. Here's my m, and here's the x that goes with that y. 8. Whoops. 8 equals m 1/3 times x 10 plus b. Now if you want to, you can use your calculator to do 1/3 times 10. 8 equals 3 1/3, 3 1/3 plus b. To get the b by itself, I'm going to have to subtract 3 1/3 from both sides. I can do this in my head. I want you to think about this because so can you. And you want to start doing as much mental math as you possibly can. 8 take away 3 is equal to 5. And 5 take away 1/3 is going to give me 4 2/3. Ready to write my equation. Y equals. So y equals m 1/3 x plus b 4 2/3. Another one done. Last one. Okay, write the ordered pairs down. 1 4 5 7. As soon as you've done that, turn the video off and try this on your own. Remember, again, you're finding m and b. Okay, change in y. 3. Change in x. 4. Change in y over change in x. 3/4. I'm just going to leave it like that. I know the decimal is 0.75, but I'll leave it that way. Y equals mx plus b. Let's get the three things. 1 2 3. Y m x. I picked that ordered pair because I like working with 1. 4 equals m 3/4 x 1 plus b. Now the stray mark here, we'll get rid of that. 3/4 times 1 is 3/4. 4 equals 3/4 plus b. To get b by itself, I'm going to subtract 3/4 on both sides. I can do this in my head because 4 take away 1 is 3. So 4 take away 3/4 will be 3 1/4. I'm ready to write my equation. Y equals m 3/4 x plus b 3 1/4. And we're done.